IKEA furniture is everywhere, but let's face it, it can be pretty boring. Let me show you how to kick it up a notch to make a good profit or to decorate your own space. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Kara with Lemons to Lemonade Furniture. I'm a crazy busy homeschool mom who hates credit card debt and does everything I can to stay out of it, and that means flipping furniture. Come join me out in the garage and I'll show you how it's done. Today I'm taking this IKEA MALM dresser that I found on Facebook Marketplace and giving it a modern twist.
I'll start off by giving everything a good clean with some Simple Green. Now that my piece is clean, I'm going to take my Surfprep 3x4 raised sander and give everything a really good scuff sand. Since the surface is pretty shiny, I want to make sure that I knock down a lot of that shine so that my paint is going to adhere.
This dresser retails for around $200 on IKEA, and there are a ton of ideas on Pinterest on how to make these dressers look way cooler. Pinterest is a great place to look if you have IKEA furniture that you're wanting to update. Wait till you see what this turns into.
I'll wipe back all of my sanding dust and it's already time to start painting. That's what's so nice about pieces that don't need a whole lot of fixing. You can start painting them pretty quickly. So upon further inspection of this IKEA dresser, there's no way for me to take these drawers out. Like, I've looked all over in the back of this, no way to get these out. So this is gonna cause a little bit of a problem while I'm painting. I think I'm just gonna have to paint with them all flat. I'm doing something different with the drawers. I'm actually not even going to paint the drawers, so they're gonna get a little bit of overspray on them, which is fine. It's gonna be ended up covered up, but it's gonna make it a little challenging to finish this piece because these drawers, they're not going anywhere. For today's project, I'm gonna be using Emerald's trim paint in a satin finish. This is the color Tricorn Black. You don't have to buy it in the big gallon size. This is probably one of my most requested colors when I do custom pieces. So when I buy one of these, I go ahead and buy a gallon because I know I'm gonna use it on a lot of projects. But the Emerald trim paint is perfect for furniture projects because it has a satin finish and it has a built-in top coat that is really thick and durable. So I love this, and it runs really well through my gravity-fed HVLP spray gun.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to smash that subscribe button. My channel is all about how I turned my side hustle of flipping furniture into a debt-slaying machine and was able to quit my full-time job, work from home, and completely get my family out of credit card debt just from flipping furniture. Each and every week, I bring you a new project so you can be inspired and join us on our journey to finding financial freedom. If you like that type of content, I'd love for you to subscribe. Since I couldn't remove the drawers, I found a long piece of cardboard and strategically got into all the little spaces so I could paint without getting any overspray on the insides of the drawers. I'll be doing a different technique on the drawers themselves so that it doesn't matter if they have any overspray on them. This dresser took a total of 2 coats of black paint.
So I found this really modern wallpaper on Amazon. I'm going to use this on the front of the drawers and see if I can tie it together with some really cool handles. And then this guy is going to get a really unique base as well to just super elevate this IKEA game.
Once I got my peel and stick wallpaper lined up on the outside of the drawers, I took my X-Acto knife and cut everything down to size. Peel and stick wallpaper is one of the simplest ways to update these IKEA dressers. So I've just got to know, if you guys buy IKEA furniture, are you looking for ways to update it, or you tend to keep it just the way it is? Let me know in the comments below. Now that I've got everything cut down to size, it's time to peel the backing off the wallpaper and put everything in place on the drawer fronts. I cut each of my peel and stick pieces with just a little bit of overhang, so I didn't have to be perfect when I laid these down. So I'm just using a little bit of a razor blade to go through and take off the extra edges.
Now that I know the center of my drawers, it's really easy for me to go in with my hardware hole template and mark exactly where I want the knobs to be.
These simple steps that you've watched me do with the peel and stick wallpaper and now adding the handles to the front of the drawers, this really elevates the dresser all on its own, but I'm going to step this up a little bit more and add a really unique base to the bottom of this.
I went back and forth on knobs a few times, but originally I was looking for something like this, and lo and behold, I found them on Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and use my original idea, and I've linked these down below if you're interested.
Since I'm building a base for this, the bottom needs extra support for it to be attached to. I took some extra 1x3s that I had on hand and I cut them down to size, glued them together to the sides of the dresser, and now I'm just anchoring them in place. Today's video is sponsored by Kreg Tools. I love my Kreg Jig pocket hole tools, and when they came out with the Kreg Foreman, this was on my Christmas list for sure. This Kreg Foreman is going to make quick work out of my base build today. The Foreman pocket hole machine is packed with features that will have you building with twice the speed and half the effort of a standard pocket hole jig. For my base, I used some Select Pine 1x3s and made a basic rectangle shape. To ensure perfect pocket hole placement, the Foreman features a tool-free adjustable fence that positions your workpiece for the exact pocket depth, and a pair of adjustable spring-loaded stops that provide repeatable accuracy, plus clear markings in the table that make it easy to position the fence for your material thickness. This machine is clearly labeled, taking out all of my guesswork. Simply pull the large control handle to start the powerful 110-volt motor, clamp your workpiece securely in place, raise the drill bit through the table. This simple operation drills a precisely placed pocket hole at the perfect depth, time and again. This Kreg Foreman made my base build so easy and so fast, I can literally sit here and make tons of pocket holes in a matter of minutes. Kreg Tools are having one of their biggest sales of the season right now over on their website. The Craig Foreman and all the wonderful Craig Jig pocket hole tools are the lowest prices I have ever seen. If this has been on your wish list, now is the time to make sure to go check it out at shorturl.at and order yours today. It has a built-in storage tray, and it's the perfect place to store all my extra bits and accessories, keeping them close at hand. The Foreman also includes a dust collection attachment to keep my work area clean. I'll grab my drill bit and secure the base with my new pocket holes. I can't wait to show you what this IKEA 5-drawer dresser that I purchased off of Facebook Marketplace looks like after its upgrade. My IKEA dresser got a huge modern upgrade with simple addition of the peel and stick wallpaper and the knobs. It's something that anybody can do to one of these dressers at home. The base build elevated its game just a little more. This was a quick 2-day flip for me, and I'll be listing it this weekend on Facebook Marketplace. A big thank you to Craig Jig for sponsoring this video. Please don't forget to check out their holiday sales in the links listed below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love for you to do so, and thank you so much for going along with me on this wild ride this year. I look forward to bringing you much more content at the start of the new year. Happy holidays, everybody, and I'll see you next time on Lemons to Lemonade Furniture.